And number 10 is something that you might have not thought of. By the way, this is a wall inside Thessaloniki. Obviously, this wall is very, very old. Back to the advice. Number 10 is always set your fly to home altitude, the return to home application, at a level that is safely quite above your current altitude or the altitude that the drone flies. Because sometimes you might be at a higher point and you fly your drone at a lower point. You need to make certain that the return to home altitude is set higher, and because your drone does not think at that moment, okay, how low or how high I am, it just needs to fly back at your return to home location. At this time, you use an automation. So if you have set this too low, you might run into the side of a mountain, or you might hit a building, or some trees, or some branches. Maybe, you want to make certain that this thing does not happen. I know that my drone has sensors in the front, so usually I can avoid stuff, but there might be a worst case scenario. If that thing is higher, it will not ever come to it. So just do this. Make sure you adjust it. Make sure you know where you're flying. Observe the location, from above before even descending any lower. Now, obviously, this is going to be very visible when you open your drone's manual online or in the leaflet you have in. Make sure to go ahead and do this. Until the next time, do leave a like and do ask your questions below. I'd be more than happy to answer them. Subscribe as well. Otherwise, YouTube won't know to show you any more of this. Until the next time, cheers, fly safe, and I'm going to be seeing you in the next one.